Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this rainbow. We will be starting with a rainbow and we are following this color sequence. Colors are given over there. Okay, we will make a slip knot first and then we will make 20 chain crochet stitches. Okay, we are starting with the violet color first. Okay, now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. After we are done with 20 chain crochet stitches, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch and make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, after that we will go on making double crochet stitches around that chain. Okay, see I'm making my needle go under that chain, grab the yarn, pull it through and make a double crochet stitch. So we will be going on making double crochet stitches around that chain. Okay, and there is no such numbers. We will just go on making till we reach our first and the last stitch, first and the last double crochet stitch just come one beside the other. Okay, till then we have to go on making double crochet stitch around that stitch, around that chain. Then now see this way, and now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. This completes our first circle. Tutorial video link for half double crochet stitch is already given in description. If any of you want to refer that tutorial video, please do refer. It is quite easy to understand. After violet color, now we will add indigo color. Now to add new yarn to your work, keep two loops on the needle and pull your new yarn from those two loops and make a chain crochet stitch. This is the way you add new yarn. Now see, for complete project our pattern is going to be same. So our pattern will be, we will make one half double crochet stitch in 3 continuous stitches, one half double crochet stitch in one half double crochet stitch in 3 continuous stitches, and in every 4th stitch we will make 2 half double crochet stitches, and each stitch we will make by using only back thread of every stitch, only back thread of every stitch. Okay, so just remember the pattern. For 3 continuous stitches we will make 1 half double crochet stitch, 1 half double crochet stitch and 1 half double crochet stitch, and every 4th stitch we will make 2 half double crochet stitch in every 4th stitch. Then again we will repeat the same, 3 continuous stitches, 1 half double crochet stitch, and every 4th stitch 2 half double crochet stitch. And just remember, only use back thread of every stitch. Okay, see here we complete our indigo color round, and now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And after indigo, now we will add blue color. Okay, so blue color yarn. So again we need to keep 2 loops on the needle, and now we will pull up blue color yarn from those 2 loops and make a chain crochet. Again we are going to repeat same pattern, 1 3. So like in 3 continuous stitches it is 1 half double crochet stitch, 1 half double crochet stitch, 1 half double crochet stitch. Remember, use only back thread of every stitch. Okay, and every 4th stitch we will make 2 half double crochet stitches. I'll just complete this whole round and I'll show you. Once we are done with the last stitch, just remember you have to join first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll just complete this round and show you. Now here we are done with the blue color, and we will join our first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and there we complete our blue color. Okay, after blue color, now it is time to add green color yarn. As usual, we will keep 2 loops on the needle, pull a green color yarn from both the loops and make a chain crochet stitch. For green color also pattern is going to be same, 1 3. So it's like 1 half double crochet stitch, 1 half double crochet stitch and 1 half double crochet stitch in 3 continuous stitches, 1 and in every 4th stitch 2 half double crochet stitches. Just remember, just use the back thread of every stitch. Okay, so like I'll complete this green color round and I'll just show you. Just remember, use back thread of every stitch and pattern 1 1 1 3. So like every fourth stitch we will make 2 half double crochet stitches, and rest all the stitches we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. See, here we complete a green color also. Just join it, the first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And now it's time to add yellow color. Okay, so keep 2 loops on the needle, pull your yellow yarn, go on cutting all yarns of previous colors, you don't need it more. Okay, so pull your yellow color from 2 loops, make a chain crochet stitch, and again follow same pattern 1 1 1 2. Okay, just remember, use only back thread of every stitch, and pattern is going to be same. 1 half double crochet stitch, one in one stitch, 1 half double crochet stitch in next stitch, and 1 half double crochet stitch in next stitch. So like 3 continuous stitches, 1 1 1 half double crochet stitch, and every fourth stitch it will be 2 half double crochet stitch. Here we complete a yellow color also. We will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and now it is time to join orange color. Unfortunately, I was not having orange color, so I have just used a color nearly similar. And so again we will pull that new color from 2 loops, make a chain crochet, and pattern of 1 1 1 2. I'll just complete this orange color also round. See, I'm using only back thread of every stitch, so it's like 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch, 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch, 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch, and every fourth stitch 2 half double crochet stitches. I'll just complete this orange color. See, we are done. Okay, and now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and our orange color is done. Done. Now again 2 loops. Now time to add red color. Now we will pull red color yarn from those 2 loops, make a chain crochet, and again we go on with our pattern 1 1 1 2. It's like every fourth stitch we will make 2 half double crochet stitches using only back thread, and rest all the stitches it will be 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Just we are using back thread of every stitch, just remember. So I'll just complete this last color and I'll show you. And here we are done. So like again we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and we are done with a complete rainbow. Now this is a circle and we need a semicircle. So what we will do, we will just fold it. There we fold it and make it into a semicircle. Okay, there comes our rainbow. Okay, now we need to join these 2 semicircles. So how we are going to join? We will insert a needle in 2 parallel stitches, pull a yarn from them, both of them at once, and make a single crochet stitch. So we will join 2 stitches into one single crochet stitch. And same way, I'm giving you very slow demonstration how to join stitches. So same way we are going to join all stitches. See, I'll insert my needle in both parallel stitches, grab my yarn, pull through, and make a single crochet stitch. Similarly, like I'll be joining all stitches of complete semicircle, and after that our rainbow is done. So this is how a rainbow will look like. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos. And if you have already subscribed, thanks a lot. Thank you so much. And if you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots of videos, and as you can see, all videos are quite easy to understand.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.
Thank you.